If I had to start over from zero, no followers, no team, no brand, here's exactly what I would do. And no, it's not what you think. See, everybody's talking about AI like it's some new magic trick that'll fix everything. But that's not the real story. AI isn't here to make you rich. It's here to make you fast. The people who win aren't the ones who are learning how to build AI. They're the ones who learn how to use AI to build freedom. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to know how to take what's already inside your head and turn it into something the world can find, love, and buy. That's the real game. You see, when I started my business, it was complete chaos. I was doing everything: calls, clients, content, trying to figure out how to make money online. You see, I thought it had to be hard. I thought it meant long nights and constant stress. But then something clicked. I realized the people that were winning weren't the ones doing the most. They were the ones doing the least, but doing it better. They had one clear message, one way of showing people how they could help, and one system that worked while they lived their lives. That's when I discovered what I call now the one-person business model. It's the simplest way to build a business in the AI era. And it's what I do again from scratch if I had to start all over. Okay, so let's talk about the big difference between the old way and the new way. The old way was messy. People were running big events, live webinars, group challenges. They spent weeks preparing and praying that people would show up. But half the time, nobody did. That model, it just burns people out. It's stressful, it's expensive, and more importantly, it's complicated. And here's the new way, the simple way. You build a business around your knowledge, your story, and your voice. You use AI to handle the boring stuff: editing, writing, posting, and scheduling. You see, you focus only on the thing that actually makes you money: connecting with people. One person, one message, one system. That's it. Here's how it works. Step 1, you package what you know into something that people can buy. That could be a coaching program, that could be an offer, that could be a course, a done-with-you service. Step 2 is you create content that talks about the real problem that you solve. Nothing fancy, just stories and tips that sound like you. Step 3 is you build a simple presentation that explains how you help. It's short, fun to watch, and people can understand it. And in step 4, you invite people to talk if they're ready to get results. That's it. No webinars, no 10-person teams, no burnout. AI handles the heavy lifting behind the scenes. You handle the fun part: connecting, creating, and helping people win. Let me tell you a few stories from some people who've actually done it. Real results. Rohit was a freelance copywriter, working crazy hours and barely scraping by. He started using the system: one offer, one presentation, one process. Now he works less and earns way more money, helping people create powerful stories that sell. Then there's Blake. Blake was living in his parents' house, wondering what was his next move. He started helping coaches build their personal brands and using the same model. He built one clear message and one system, and now he's got a thriving business that runs off his laptop, doing $70,000 a month at 22 years old. And then Jen, she went from law school to life insurance to financial coaching, and she booked 5 clients in 2 weeks of her first simple presentation, all organic, just posting in Facebook groups. And my main man, Nathaniel, he's an in-person fitness coach who wanted to go online. He made one single post, one, not 2, not 10,000, and that single post brought him his first client. None of them had huge audiences. None of them were tech experts. They just used a simple system and let AI do all the heavy lifting. Okay, here's the truth. Simplicity always wins. People make business too complicated. They think 10 funnels, 5 offers, and a team full of people just to stay afloat. And that's the fast lane to burnout. But when you keep it simple, when you focus on one product, one message, and one presentation, everything gets easier. Your content becomes clear. Your audience understands what you do. And your business starts growing without stress. Simplicity is the new flex. So let's keep it a buck for a second. It's easier to work with a few great clients who pay you well than 1,000 small ones who drain all your time. High-ticket clients value what they do. They take action, they get results, and you don't need to convince them. You just need to show them how your system helps them win faster. And that's why the one-person business model focuses on serving fewer people at a higher level. You help better clients, you make a bigger impact, you keep your peace of mind. And that's the goal. I hope you guys are getting this. And here's what makes all of this work: AI. AI isn't something to fear. It's like a teammate who never sleeps. It can write posts, it can design slides, it can build emails, even book calls, all while you focus on your message. You see, you're still the voice, you're still the brand, and AI builds and handles everything behind the scenes, the stuff that used to slow you down. It's not replacing you, it's replacing pressure. And that's actually a good thing. Man, if I had to start over right now, I wouldn't go viral, I wouldn't chase followers, I wouldn't try to build a massive team. I'd focus on one thing and one thing only: building a system that sells for me. Because once you have that, everything else is easier. You don't need luck, you don't need fancy tools, you just need clarity and consistency, and more importantly, courage. Clarity to know who you help, consistency to show up every single day, courage to keep going when nobody's watching. That's the real game. So imagine this: you wake up, your content has gone out automatically. People have watched your single presentation. Your calendar is now booked with calls, all because you built one system powered by AI. And that's not a dream. That's what's possible right now. And the best part is even easier today during this AI gold rush to start. You see, AI has leveled the playing field. You don't need permission anymore. You just need to start. Now, if this message hits home, I want to invite you to my free social selling masterclass. I'll show you exactly how to turn your message into a product that people love, how to create one presentation that sells for you, how to use AI to build a business that gives you freedom and not burnout. And all you got to do is click the link below to join. Because in this new world, you don't need more work, you need more leverage. And that's what I'll help you build. You see, here's what I want you to understand. The world is changing fast. You can keep doing it the old way, chasing trends, running challenges, building complicated funnels, or you can build one simple system that changes everything. AI isn't here to take your spot, it's here for you to take back your time. And this is your moment right now. Go ahead, click the link below, join the masterclass, and let's build a one-person business model that prints and leverage without stress. Go ahead, click. I'll see you there.